In this video, we are going to talk about the 5 benefits of social media through which you can grow your business online. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Harshil Suranwani. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you don't miss out any of our video updates. So first we'll talk about what is social media marketing. Social media marketing is nothing but using the social media platforms to promote your goods or services or products. Like you run a paid campaigns or ad campaigns through these social media platforms. Now we'll talk about the 5 major benefits of social media marketing. Now the first benefit, which is audience targeting. This is one of the great benefits of social media which came to an existence in business world. When social media was not there, it was very difficult for business to target or to analyze whether their ads are performing good or are they able to reach out to a proper target audience or no. But when social media came into existence, it got very easy for business to keep a record and to analyze everything through social media because it has different features through which you come to know which type of audience is interested in your ads. Are you able to reach out to your target audience or no? Now the second benefit, which is relationship with customers. When there was no social media was not into picture, it was very difficult for the customers and as well as business to reach out to each other. But when social media came into existence, a business got an opportunity where they can connect properly with their customers and gain their trust in their brand. So through social media, it got very easy for both the parties, like for the business as well as for customers to reach out to each other. And even customer got an advantage; they can easily reach out to the customer executive, where they can, if they have any problems or queries or complaint regarding the products, they can easily reach out to them and solve them. Third benefit is much cheaper, which means now when social media came into existence, now the cost of the marketing and advertisement have reduced drastically. So now if a business has any offer or any discounts going on, they can just easily put up posters and stories or content on their social media platform, and easily people can come to know, or the target audience can come to know about the offers. But whereas when social media was not into an existence, they had to run advertisement, put up banners, posters on the roadsides, which was too costly and which was time consuming. But now it has reduced the time. It is too fast and it is more cheaper than it was earlier. Now the fourth benefit, evaluate your performance yourself, which means the social media is giving you an opportunity where you can just go and evaluate your performance, which means if you are running a certain ad or certain campaign, you yourself can go on your social media sites and check your performance, like is it able to reach to the target audience, is it running properly, are you getting some returns on it, like are people interested in it, are people liking it, what are their comments, what are their reviews, what is the impression. But whereas when social media was not even existent, if a particular business was running a campaign or an ads marketing or advertisements plan, it was a long procedure for them to analyze or to come up or to understand how is it performing. But now it has become more easier and faster for them to understand how the campaigns and ads are running. Now the fifth benefit, stay at the top of mind. So according to a research, it says that at least all the users logging into their social media platforms at least once a day. So now all the businesses have a great opportunity where they can target the audience and provide them with a relevant content and a proper content, so they come to know exactly what is going on and what are the offers and discount going on. So it becomes easier for the audience to choose between different products and different services. So if a business is able to deliver or provide a proper content and relevant content, and if they are able to convince people to choose their product or services, it is a very easy and cheap method, or you can say it is very fast way to convert audience to buy your products and services. If you have liked the video, please do share with your friends and family and let us know in the comment section which all things we have missed out, or the suggestion for our next upcoming video. Stay tuned, stay home, stay safe, take care, goodbye.